In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Microsoft Designer. If you're new to this tool or simply looking to polish up your photo editing skills, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything you need to know to get from start to finish smoothly. First things first, you'll want to head to the Microsoft Designer website. Once there, make sure to log in with your Microsoft account. This step ensures that you have access to all the features and tools available to personalize and enhance your photos. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to set one up. It's free and opens up a lot of possibilities for your creative projects. Once you're logged in, look for the option to Create New Design. If you've already got a project in progress, you can open that up instead. This flexibility allows you to continue editing previous work without losing your flow. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you've never used it before, you should feel comfortable with where things are. Next, you'll find the Upload button situated in the left toolbar. Click on that to begin uploading your photo from your device. Take your time to select the image you want to work with. Once you choose your photo and it appears on the canvas, you're ready to start editing. A great starting point is to explore some of the filters and effects that Microsoft Designer offers. These can dramatically change the mood and tone of your image. Experiment a little to see what fits best with your vision. You can always revert to the original if you want to try something new later on. Another powerful feature is the ability to remove or change the background of your photo. This can be particularly useful if you're looking to isolate a subject or place them in a different setting entirely. Don't hesitate to try out different options until you're satisfied with the result. Adding elements or text can also enhance your photo. Whether you're designing a social media post or a poster, incorporating text or graphics can make your image more engaging and informative. Play around with the fonts and sizes to see what complements your photo best. When you're happy with the edits and additions, it's time to review and finalize your work. Take a step back and examine the overall image to ensure it meets your expectations and conveys the message you want. Adjust anything that doesn't feel quite right before moving on. Finally, when you're satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time to download your edited photo. Look for the download option, usually at the top of the screen, and save your creation to your device. Now you're all set to share your beautiful new image with the world, or just keep it for yourself. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to edit a photo using Microsoft Designer. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.